How can I randomly select an item from a list? How do I retrieve an item at random from the following list?
Use random.choice. For cryptographically secure random choices, e.g., for generating a passphrase from a word list, use secrets.choice. Secrets is new in Python 3.6. On older versions of Python, you can use the random.systemRandom class.
If you also need the index, use random.randRange.
I proposed a script for removing randomly picked up items off a list until it is empty. Maintain a set and remove randomly picked up element with choice until list is empty. 3 runs give 3 different answers.
If you want to randomly select more than one item from a list, or select an item from a set, I'd recommend using random.sample instead. If you're only pulling a single item from a list though, choice is less clunky, as using sample would have the syntax random.sample, sum_list, 1, 0, instead of random.choice, sum_list. Unfortunately though, choice only works for a single output from sequences, such as lists or tuples. Though random.choice, tuple, sum_set, may be an option for getting a single item from a set. Edit, using secrets. As many have pointed out, if you require more secure pseudorandom samples, you should use the secrets module. Edit, Pythonic one-liner. If you want a more Pythonic one-liner for selecting multiple items, you can use unpacking.
How to